Hey, this is Crystal, and we're unmerging Word labels and bringing them into Excel. You might want a Word label and you just want it as a database or a list in Excel. You can do the copy and paste, but even nicer in Excel, there's a text wizard that'll actually import your items from your label right into Excel. First of all, when you're in Word, you have to save it as a text file, not a Word file, so a text file. So once you've saved it as a text file, if you go into Microsoft Excel and in the Data tab, in this Get External Data group, there's the From Text. So once I click on the From Text, here's the item that I want to bring into Excel. So I just select it and click on Import. As soon as I do that, the wizard pops up and it gives me a list, a 3-step item where I can just go through and I can say just go to the next part of the wizard. And here I want my delimiters, so I want it to be parsed out in this way. And then I just click on Next. And here it gives me a preview of what my labels are going to look like. So that's the 3rd step. I click on Finish. And then it asks me where would I like it to be placed into this sheet. I like it in A1. And once I click OK, voila, it brings it right in. So there you go, unmerging mail labels in Word and bringing them into Excel. This is Crystal. See you soon.